Hello everybody, I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to access your Gmail account using your NYCDOE iPads. So the first thing you're going to do is locate the G Suite folder, and it's on my son's iPad, it's on the first page. It may be on a different page for you, but it says G Suite. So I'm going to locate the G Suite tools. Open up the folder, and of course you'll see Gmail, Docs, Sheets, Slides, Translate, and Jamboard. For right now, we're just using the Gmail. Open it up. Once it's open, you'll see the sign in. So of course you're going to sign in. Now, how do you sign in? We're going to sign in using our using our Google account. Our NYCStudents.net account are all Google affiliated. So we're going to sign in using the Google account that was given to us. So it's going to say Google wants you to use your google.com to sign in. So we're going to press continue. So here we're going to put in our NYCDOE account. I'm going to put my son's account in. So I put my son's at NYCStudents.net account. Notice I put the whole thing in, his username and the ending of at NYCStudents.net. You cannot just put in your username portion, which means it could be your first name and the first initial of your last name, and it may be a number depending on how original your name is, meaning that no one in the DOE has your name. Okay, so you have to put that whole thing in. So I am going to click next right now. Once I click next, it's going to take me to the New York City Department of Education page. You're going to see this page a lot when you're dealing with your at NYCStudents.net account. So you're going to basically signing in twice. Sorry, I said basically twice. Yeah, weird. All right, so I'm going to put my son's information in. So for this part, all I'm going to put in is the first part of his username, which is Joel G238. I don't have to put the at NYCDOE.net. I don't have to. I can, but I don't have to. It's an extra step that you don't have to take. And then I'm going to put his password in. So I put his password in, and now I'm going to press sign in. So now I'm taking to his Gmail account, and I can see all the assignments that, his teacher's Miss Molinari assigned for him in Google Classroom. So this is a quick tutorial on how to access your Gmail. If you have any questions, let myself know, Miss Doherty, Miss Needham, or Miss Ebola Wimwa know. Thank you.